So guys, we're going out to eat at this place. It's called Hippopotamus, something like that. Hippopotamus. It's in like this European mall. It's right there. On the side. We're gonna make a vlog out of this because I already ended our Disney vlog. Go check it out. But I'm gonna run my videos. Huh? Yeah, let's hope it's good because we were disappointed the other day. You gotta push it, I guess. Alright, push this thing. Ooh, look at the mall. It's super nice in here. The lights are off. So this is where we're gonna eat at. It's like a steakhouse. So this is how you like do your like COVID card. I'll show you guys. Out here in Europe, this is what you have to do now. So there's this app where you put your COVID vaccine cards on and they scan it to check you, so you're not showing your COVID card out here. So I'm not gonna put my card on here, but it looks like this. And they just scan the QR code and then you're in. It shows you what kind of vaccines you have. And you can use this all over the whole Europe. So, but this mall's pretty dope. I think there's a Sea World in here, similar, but it's called Sea Life. That's what the menu look like. Like a lot of burgers and steaks and fries. I've just been seeing it all over France so far. Look at this, y'all. This is the menu. It's like a newspaper. It's pretty good. But this is all wine right here.
They have pina colada.
Oh, get one.
Yeah, let me get one. Hold on, let me see those.
Dang, we got ribs right here. Yeah, we gonna order, you know what I'm saying? We'll show you the food after we order. So I got a Sprite, baby got a pina colada. Look how cute it looks.
Yeah, it's so cute, right?
So nice. It tastes really good?
Yeah, it tastes really good.
I'll just pour my Sprite in here like this, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, the bubbles dancing.
It's better than, way better than,
yeah, the other place we went to, that was trash.
Trash.
This thing fire. I don't know what kind of sauce. Like it's like olive oil.
Is it good?
What is it? What do you think that is?
Chimichurri.
Oh, it's chimichurri.
Good, right?
No, it's really good. It's different. I've never had this. Yeah, I'm gonna take a fry. You want a fry? Look at that. Look at that. Juicy. It's glistening on me. It came with some fries. this place has. Huh? Yeah, there's a 10 in there.
It's you that put me onto cheesecake.
Oh yeah.
Cause I never used to eat